Ladies and gentlemen, the Food Works World, we're here today to introduce our new
Figgy Monkey.
Now you might say, what is a Figgy Monkey? And these are the things that go in a Figgy Monkey.
We have bananas, we have figs, they also come with dates, almond butter, and some almond milk. So it's actually really simple. And also, we forgot the hemp powder, protein powder, so that goes in it as well. Right?
Yeah,
so
right.
It has a nice creamy texture.
Creamy texture. Okay.
And it also has a crunch from the figs.
Ooh, crunchy, funky monkey.
Crunchy monkey. Yes. So
Okay.
it's earthy, crunchy, and creamy, and it has, again, the figs in there. So the figs are really good dried fruit because they have a lot of fiber, and it's actually like nature's candy. So it has natural sugars to it. So it's very filling.
Hold up your bananas.
And that's it.